Is your iPhone battery dying way faster than it should, especially after updating to iOS 18? Don't worry, you're not alone, and I'm here to help. Today, I'm going to show you 7 essential settings you need to change right now to stop that drain and keep your battery health at 100% for as long as possible. We cover everything from hidden settings that secretly kill your juice to the brand new charging limits in iOS 18. Let's dive in and fix this. First up, let's tackle background app refresh. This feature lets apps update in the background, but it's a major battery hog. Go to Settings, then General, and tap on Background App Refresh. You'll see a long list of apps. My advice: turn it off completely. If you can't live without it, at least switch it to Wi-Fi only or go through the list and disable it for apps that don't need to be constantly updated, like games or social media apps you don't use frequently. This one change alone can make a huge difference. Next, let's talk about location services. So many apps want to know where you are, even when you're not using them. This constant GPS tracking is a huge battery killer. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and tap on Location Services. Scroll down to the bottom and find System Services. In here, you'll see things like significant locations and a bunch of product improvement toggles. Turn off significant locations. Do you really need your iPhone to track every place you visit? Probably not. Also, turn off most of the analytics and improvement toggles. These just send data back to Apple and drain your battery in the process. While you're in Location Services, review each app's permission. Change as many as you can from Always to while using the app or never. Setting number 3 is all about push notifications. Every time your screen lights up with a notification, it uses power. Go to Settings, then Notifications. Look at your list of apps and be ruthless. Do you really need notifications from that game you played once? Or that shopping app? Turn them off for any non-essential apps. For apps like email, instead of push, you can set it to fetch data every 15 or 30 minutes. Go to Mail, then Accounts, then Fetch New Data. This tells your phone to check for new mail on a schedule instead of constantly being connected, which saves a ton of battery. Alright, number 4 is a simple but effective one: haptic feedback on your keyboard. While it feels nice, that little vibration every time you type adds up and drains your battery. To turn it off, go to Settings, then Sounds and Haptics, and find Keyboard Feedback. Simply toggle off the haptic switch. You'll be surprised how much this little change can help over the course of a day full of texting and typing. 5th on our list is a big one for iOS 18, the new charging limits. This is designed to preserve your battery health long term. Go to Settings, Battery, then Charging on newer iPhones. You'll see options for 80% limit, 85% limit, 90% limit, and so on, all the way up to 100% for maximum battery longevity. Apple recommends not charging to 100% all the time. Setting a limit to 80% or 85% is fantastic for daily use. This prevents your battery from being stressed at full capacity. If you know you'll need a full charge for a long day, you can easily disable it, but for your everyday routine. Using one of these lower limits will dramatically improve your battery's lifespan. Setting number 6 is managing your screen. The display is one of the most power-hungry components of your phone. First, enable auto brightness. Go to Settings, Accessibility, then Display and Text Size, and scroll down to find Auto Brightness. This adjusts your screen brightness based on your environment, saving power. Also, use Dark Mode. It looks cool, and on iPhones with all screens, it saves a significant amount of battery because black pixels are actually turned off. You can find it in Settings, then Display and Brightness. Finally, my secret daily routine tip. This isn't just one setting, but a habit. Before you go to bed, enable low power mode. This automatically reduces background activity and other functions to save power overnight. Then, place your phone on the charger with the 80% or 85% limit enabled. This way, your phone charges gently, stops at a healthy level, and is ready for you in the morning without sitting at a stressful 100% for hours. This simple routine has kept my battery health at 100% for over a year. So there you have it, 7 settings and tips to fix your iOS 18 battery drain and keep your iPhone running longer. Let me know in the comments what your current battery health percentage is. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.